What if you could live for 2 centuries without your cells ever aging? Meet Jonathan, the 194-year-old tortoise who defies the laws of biology. His secret isn't just a slow life. It's in his genes. Scientists found that giant tortoises have extraordinary DNA repair mechanisms that protect them from cancer and cellular decay. They can effectively delete damaged cells before they cause disease, keeping their bodies biologically young for decades. Jonathan witnessed the invention of the light bulb and survived 2 world wars, yet his heart beats as strong as ever.